Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Indianapolis Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just 8 miles away from downtown Indianapolis, this hotel is ideal for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a fully equipped kitchen. The hotel offers 24-hour laundry facilities and free Wi-Fi. A stovetop, microwave, refrigerator and kitchenware are included in every room at Extended Stay America, Indianapolis Airport. A flat-screen TV with premium cable channels is also provided. A grab-and-go breakfast is served every morning and includes bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea. The property also offers free parking. Indianapolis Motor Speedway, Indiana Convention Center and the Indianapolis Zoo are all 7 miles away from the hotel. Lucas Oil Stadium is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.